Dear students, welcome back. In this video, I am going to explain the 7th chapter of Honeysuckle, Fair Play. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. Both were respected in their village. Jumman had an aunt who gave her property to him, thinking he would look after her. This worked well for a few years, but later the situation changed. Jumman and his family became very rude to her. His aunt tolerated this insult for a few months. She asked for a monthly allowance so that she could have her own kitchen. Jumman did not agree to her demand, and this made his aunt very angry. She decided to take her case to the village panchayat. The old lady took advice of other villagers. Some people sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. The lady came to Algu Chaudhary and sought his help. He said he could not go against his best friend. The lady invited him to the panchayat. The panchayat was held under an old banyan tree. The old lady nominated Algu as the head punch to give verdict in the case. The old lady explained her case. Algu asked Jumman to give version of the case. Jumman said his aunt gave her property 3 years back and he promised to support her as long as she lived. There have been a couple of quarrels between his wife and his aunt. It is not possible for him to give her a monthly allowance. Jumman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Algu later announced that Jumman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance or else the property will go to her. Jumman became Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Few months later, one of his very fine pair of bullocks died and he sold the other to Samjhu Sahu. He was a cart driver of the village. Sahu was supposed to pay the price of the bullock in a month's time to Algu, but the bullock died within a month. Algu wanted his money from Sahu, but he got very annoyed and angry. Sahu refused to pay his money and told Algu to use his bullock for a month and then return it. Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat. The panchayat was held and Sahu was told to nominate the head punch. Sahu proposed the name of Jumman. Algu turned very disappointed. Jumman became the head punch and realized his responsibility as a judge and importance of his work. He thought not to allow his personal feelings to come in the way of doing justice. Both Algu and Sahu gave their versions of the case. They were cross-examined. Jumman announced that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock because it was healthy at the time of selling. Algu cannot be blamed for the death of the bullock. Algu appreciated the judgment. Jumman came to Algu and embraced him. Jumman said he has realized the importance of being a punch. A punch has neither friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. One should not and never deviate from the path of justice and truth. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood. I'll be coming with more explanation of the rest of the chapters. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.